Oh, the benefits of oranges. I love oranges, and I feel blessed that I'm living here in Florida and I can benefit from citrus season. Oranges are a staple for me in citrus season. I go through a lot of oranges every day. One of my mentors, Jethro Kloss, this is what he had to say about oranges. If you're troubled with any skin problems, 8 to 10 oranges a day is a wonderful treatment and will bring results beyond expectation. And I've been dealing with some eczema, and you know, the oranges, some people will tell you don't eat or drink orange juice if you have skin problems. And that's because oranges are a very strong cleanser, and they cleanse so well. And remember, our skin is an eliminative organ. And when you take the orange juice, yes, sometimes your skin will get worse because it's cleansing the inside. But this is what you need to do because you've got to get the old gunk, the old acids out of your body. Now remember, I didn't go vegan till I was 58 years old. And in those 58 years, I ate a lot of pizza, a lot of pot roast, a lot of hamburgers. And, you know, it's so much acid in the body. And these acids that are coming out through your bowels, through your kidneys, or your skin may have been there for decades. So it takes a while. So you've got to be patient, but it's a nice journey. Enjoy the journey. It's going to be a new, improved you. Your cells are going to be stronger. So orange juice is the best. I've got right there about 32 ounces. Now, the pulp of all these oranges, it probably took me, I don't know, 10 or 15 oranges to juice. I eat all the pulp out of my Waring Pro citrus juicer, which I believe I got it off eBay or Amazon, not sure. But check either place, Amazon or eBay. It's Waring Pro, W-A-R-I-N-G, Pro. It's a great juicer. So right there, I've got at least 32 ounces fresh squeezed orange juice. And I've got to drink this pretty soon because you don't want vitamin C gets oxidized pretty quick. It loses its potency once it's exposed to air. So you want to drink it. So that's what I wanted to talk about. Oranges, one of the best foods on the planet. Let me just go through some of the benefits. It's so high in vitamin C. It's associated with reduced risk of colon cancer because it gets rid of free radicals that damage our DNA. It's healthy for the immune system, which helps prevent colds and ear infections. It prevents skin damage. Antioxidants help protect skin from free radical damage known to cause signs of aging. Keeps the blood pressure under check due to presence of magnesium. Plus, vitamin B6 supports the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. It lowers cholesterol. According to a study by US and Canadian researchers, compounds in oranges have the potential to lower cholesterol more effectively than prescription drugs without side effects. Number 6, it helps absorb the absorption of iron. Though oranges are not a source of iron, the high vitamin C loaded in fruits and in oranges are essential in the absorption of iron. Promotes good heart health. Nutrients in oranges reduce the risk of heart disease. Oranges can regulate blood cholesterol levels, which is linked to good heart health. And number 8, controls blood sugar level. You've got fiber. Remember, eat the pulp or eat the whole orange. Either way. But oranges are one of the best health foods on the planet. And I encourage everyone, well, we're heading out of citrus season now, but there's still oranges here in Florida, and I'm sure you can still get them wherever you are. So go for the oranges. Your body will thank you so much. All the best, guys. Please give me a like and a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. Any questions or comments, I always do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. I'm here to help you take your health up a notch. So take care, have a great one, and fruit up. That's exactly what I'm going to do right now. So good. It's fantastic.